On September 24, 2024, the state of Missouri executed Marcellus Williams, a death row inmate whose case had stirred significant controversy and public outcry. The execution was carried out via lethal injection at a state prison in Montreal, marking the culmination of a lengthy legal battle that raised serious doubts about Williams's guilt. He was 55 years old at the time of his death. Williams had been convicted in 2001 for the 1998 murder of Felicia Gale, a social worker and prominent reporter for the St. Louis Post-Dispatch. The crime had garnered considerable media attention, yet even as he faced execution, widespread concerns about his conviction lingered. These concerns were amplified by statements from the St. Louis County Prosecuting Attorney's Office, which argued that the execution should be halted due to issues surrounding the jury selection process. Notably, the jury that convicted Williams was predominantly white, while he is black and Gale was white, raising allegations of racial bias in the trial. Adding to the gravity of the situation was the absence of DNA evidence linking Williams to the crime. St. Louis County's prosecuting attorney, Wesley Bell, publicly declared that, even for those who disagree on the death penalty, when there is a shadow of a doubt of any defendant's guilt, the irreversible punishment of execution should not be an option. Despite this, Governor Mike Parson and the Missouri Supreme Court denied multiple requests for clemency, which had come from Williams's lawyers, family members of the victim, and various advocacy groups, including the NAACP. On the day of his execution, the U.S. Supreme Court also denied a last-minute plea for a stay, leaving many feeling that justice had not been served. This sentiment was only intensified after reports surfaced suggesting that the knife used in Gale's murder may have been contaminated by DNA from those involved in the prosecution. As the execution unfolded, many people gathered outside the courthouse in St. Louis to protest, demanding justice and raising awareness about racial injustices within the legal system. In the wake of his death, Williams's poetry and writings gained traction on social media, serving as a poignant reminder of his humanity. His last words, captured in a handwritten statement, declared, "All praise be to Allah in every situation." This declaration resonated with many, showcasing a man who faced his end with dignity amidst a backdrop of uncertainty. Advocates for criminal justice reform, including politicians such as Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez and Cory Bush, used Williams's case to underscore a pressing need to reevaluate the death penalty. They highlighted how his execution reflects broader systemic issues, particularly regarding racial disparities and the reliability of the judicial process. The echoing sentiment remains clear: the legal system failed Marcellus Williams, and his case stands as a sobering testament to the urgent need for reform. Stay subscribed for more videos.